Crack up. To laugh a lot or suddenly start laughing. We all cracked up when she slipped on the ice. She made a funny face and we all cracked up. Rip up. To tear something into pieces. She ripped up the old letter. I ripped up the wrong paper by mistake. Clean up. To make a place clean and tidy. He cleaned up the floor with a mop. We cleaned up the kitchen after cooking. Split up. To separate or end a relationship or to divide something into parts. The class was split up into small groups. My parents split up when I was young. Eat up. To eat all the food on your plate. He ate up everything on his plate. The children ate up all the cookies. Drink up. To finish your drink completely? Drink up, it's good for your health. He drank up the juice in 1 minute. Cue up. To stand or wait in a line. We queued up to buy movie tickets. Please queue up nicely and don't push. Dry up. To become completely dry. The river dried up in the summer. The wet clothes dried up in the sun. team up. To work together with someone to do something. I want to team up with you for the game. Our class teamed up to clean the playground. Pack up. To collect and put your things into a bag, box, or container. She is packing up her suitcase. We packed up our bags before leaving the hotel. Show up. To appear, arrive, or be present somewhere, especially where someone is expected. Why didn't you show up yesterday? I hope my friends show up on time. Heat up. To make something warm or hot, usually food or a drink. Mom is heating up the milk. She heated up yesterday's pizza in the microwave. Wind up. To end something like an activity or meeting. Let's wind up the meeting now. Let's wind up the game and go home. Sit up. To move from a lying or leaning position to a sitting position with your back straight. Please sit up straight in your chair. He sat up quickly when he heard a loud noise. Call up. To make a phone call to someone. She called up her friend to say sorry. She called up her mother to share the good news.